Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa F9 espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought here because it needed cleaning and general maintenance. The report it was in great shape, but unfortunately it was not in great shape. This machine desperately needed a tune-up, and you will see why because I will show you a couple of pictures. This is the brew unit. This is the brew unit of the machine, and this is the drain valve of the brew unit. As you can see, there's a big, thick layer of coffee buildup all around the entire thing. So as we're inspecting it, we see more signs of coffee buildup, and this is just inside of the machine. This is where the grinder, the brew unit sits, and this is where the grinder is. And as you can see, there's tons of coffee buildup inside. This is part of the grinder as well, and this is what you will look inside of the tray. So we took apart the grinder, as you can see, to clean it because we saw a little bit of mold and some condensation there. So we clean it very nicely and pretty. You can kind of see it here, how it looked before and how it looks now, nice and clean. We also clean everything inside of the machine. As you can see, that's how it looked before, and it was not really good, and now it looks nice and clean. We also service the brew unit, replace the gasket from the O-ring, remove the shower screen, relubricate the shaft, remove the valve as well, and just give it good service. After that, we have to replace the tray. This one was the tray that the machine came with. So we order a proper one, and this is now the one that the machine has, which is much better looking and much sturdy as well. As you can see, tray sensor definitely works. And now we're gonna be testing it with 1 shot of espresso. Think I didn't have enough coffee on it. Hopefully I did have enough coffee. Yeah, I did not have enough coffee. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough coffee, so we're gonna do that again. We also did a descaling cycle on this machine, which means we had to run descaler through the entire machine, and we also did a cleaning cycle, an extra cleaning cycle on the spouts to if there's any kind of buildup or anything residue inside these spouts, it should be already long gone because we did run a couple of cleaning cycles through the spouts. As you can see, we had a nice steady stream, excellent color on the coffee, really good looking shot. And this is a 2-ounce shot of espresso, which is what Jura usually brews. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water of this machine. You can see it right here. We can get this perfectly fine. As the gasket starts to get a little bit older over here, it's a little bit more harder for the machine to make it seal. But as you can see, the machine is still dispensing hot water. That was the quantity that the machine is already programmed to dispense, and I'm now going to adjust that. And now the machine is heating up because we're going to be testing the steamer. The thermal block that is located on this side of the machine needs to get up to temperature. Once it does that, the water pump that is located at the bottom will pulse water through the entire system, going through the thermal block, and then it will go through the steam one, as you see right here. As you can see, steady steam coming out of the one, looking great, excellent temperature, excellent steam. So there you have it, Jura Impresa F9 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.